Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. Discover the tranquility of meditation, an effortless antidote to stress. Unwind from the day's tension and embrace serenity through meditation. Learn how to effortlessly integrate this practice into your life for instant relaxation whenever you need it most. If stress has you feeling overwhelmed, meditation offers a soothing remedy. Just a few moments dedicated to meditation can replenish your inner calm and restore peace of mind. Accessible to everyone, meditation requires no elaborate setup or investment. It's a simple, cost-effective practice that can be done anytime, anywhere. Whether you're strolling outdoors, commuting, waiting in line, or amidst a busy schedule, let's delve into the essence of meditation. Dating back thousands of years, meditation initially served to comprehend the mysteries of existence. Today, it primarily serves as a tool for relaxation and stress reduction. As a form of mind-body therapy, meditation facilitates deep relaxation and mental clarity. By honing your focus on a single point, you can quiet the incessant chatter of the mind, fostering holistic well-being. Here are the myriad benefits of meditation. You'll experience a profound sense of tranquility, equilibrium, and emotional wellness through meditation. Harness its power to manage stress, nurture inner peace, and cultivate resilience. The rewards of meditation extend beyond the session itself, guiding you calmly through the trials of daily life. Additionally, it may aid in managing various medical conditions. It will also enhance emotional and physical well-being. Meditation offers a respite from the daily deluge of information, alleviating stress and its detrimental effects. Its therapeutic benefits include offering fresh perspectives on stressors, equipping you with stress management skills, cultivating self-awareness, anchoring your focus in the present moment, diminishing negative emotions, stimulating creativity, fostering patience, lowering heart rate and blood pressure, improving sleep quality. You can harness meditation for health. Research suggests that meditation holds promise in alleviating symptoms associated with several medical conditions exacerbated by stress, including anxiety, asthma, cancer, chronic pain, depression, heart disease, high blood pressure, irritable bowel syndrome, sleep disorders, and tension headaches. Consult your healthcare provider to explore how meditation can complement your treatment plan. However, exercise caution as meditation may exacerbate symptoms of certain mental health conditions. You'll explore diverse meditation techniques. Meditation encompasses a spectrum of approaches to attain a state of tranquility. Popular methods include guided meditation. Visualize serene landscapes or scenes under the guidance of an instructor. Mantra meditation, repetition of calming words or phrases to quiet the mind. Mindfulness meditation, cultivate awareness of the present moment, observing thoughts without judgment. Qigong and Tai Chi, blend meditation, movement, and breathing exercises for balance and vitality. Yoga, unite controlled breathing with postures to enhance flexibility and mental clarity. Here are some key elements of meditation. Irrespective of the technique, meditation commonly incorporates focused attention, directing your focus to alleviate mental clutter. Relaxed breathing, deep, even-paced breathing to induce relaxation. A tranquil environment, minimizing distractions to enhance concentration. Comfortable posture, adopting a relaxed position conducive to meditation. Open-mindedness, embracing thoughts without criticism. You'll enjoy everyday meditation practices. Meditation need not be daunting. Whether through formal sessions or informal moments of mindfulness, integrate meditation into your routine effortlessly. Deep breathing will allow you to center yourself by focusing on your breath. Body scanning is ideal for attuning to bodily sensations to promote relaxation. Mantra repetition uses affirmations to anchor your mind. Walking meditation will help you find serenity in motion through mindful walking. Prayer engages in spiritual communion for inner peace. Reflective reading allows you to contemplate sacred texts or literature for insight. And loving-kindness meditation will cultivate compassion towards others for emotional connection. Practice nurturing your meditation journey. Embrace meditation without judgment or pressure. Like any skill, it requires patience and practice. Embrace the wandering nature of the mind during meditation sessions. Redirect your focus gently whenever distractions arise. Ultimately, the goal of meditation isn't perfection but rather the enhancement of your well-being. Allow it to be a source of solace amidst life's tumult, guiding you towards a calmer, more contented existence. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.